हाय हेलो नमस्कार। इस चैनल में आने के लिए आप सभी को फिर से आभार। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है आईटी सिक्योरिटी, जो भी अब हम नेक्स्ट कवर करेंगे आने वाले वीडियो में। उसमें हम आईटी सिक्योरिटी के, क्योंकि सिक्योरिटी इज द बेसिक फाउंडेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट हैव सिक्योर नेटवर्क्स देन all the things which we studied before this video, they are waste, because if it get hacked then there is no hope for us. So security is an integral part of IT support. So we don't go into the deep structure, but we should understand some basic things so that whenever we see them, we can identify them and relate them, and if there is a potential threat we can neutralize it. Okay, so what is the main guiding principle behind security? It is CIA, not the Central Intelligence Agency. It is confidentiality, integrity and availability. These are the three pillars of security. Every protocol, every security measure is revolved around protecting these three pillars, right? Either confidentiality, integrity, availability, or all the three. So every security protocol, every security measure in IT is based on these three pillars. CIA, confidentiality means that data should remain secure. It means it should be encrypted so that it should not be in the hands of someone whom we don't want. Okay, that is confidentiality. Second is integrity, means data should not be corrupted, data should not be lost when during the transmission. So that is integrity. The data should be secure and its integrity should be maintained so that it can be readable or legible to the viewer or the receiver. A means availability, means it should be available, because if we implement a security system which is very confidential, which preserves the integrity, but it is not available or accessible easily, then the purpose of the security is not met, because availability is a major factor of security. For example, let me tell you an example. People don't often lock their laptops or password just because they don't want to enter the pin every time. So availability is the key factor deciding which drives people which security measure they should employ. So if our security measure is very complex, then the people will not employ it. That means availability is less. So it is actually increasing our security threat, because people are not using it because they think that it is very complex. So it is a tug of war between security and availability. So it should be well maintained so that people actually protect their system with the security measure, because if it is very too complex for a common man, he or she will not be able to understand it and they will not implement it. So availability and security, there is a constant tug of war. So it should be balanced so that it is an ideal security measure for a common person or according to their specific need. Now, what is a vulnerability? Vulnerability is a flaw in the system that could be exploited to compromise the system. So vulnerability is an exploit, means, for example, let us say that we developed an app and there is a vulnerability, means there is a loophole through which an attacker or a hacker or any bad state actor can influence or exploit or can modify things in an unwanted way. So that is the vulnerability. Now there is a different type of vulnerability that is known as zero-day vulnerability, means a vulnerability that is not known to the software developer or vendor but is still known to the hacker or attacker. Means when we develop an app, sometimes we can detect the vulnerabilities. The developer or the vendor can detect the vulnerabilities, but sometimes they are not able to detect and the attacker will detect the vulnerability, which means that the attacker can now exploit that vulnerability, because even the person who made that app don't know about the vulnerability, so he can never patch it until and unless it is too far or it get so much worse. So zero-day vulnerabilities are the one of the most dangerous vulnerability, because we don't know the vulnerability, but the attacker or the hacker or the bad state actor knows that is a loophole and he can exploit it. So vulnerability, zero-day vulnerability. CIA is the three pillar of security. Now on the basis of these things only, we will proceed to the next complex or concepts of next videos, because we have to keep this CIA in mind whenever we are designing a security measure और अ सिक्योरिटी प्रोटोकॉल। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको वीडियो में कोई डाउट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि इसमें तो सिर्फ थियरी है ज़्यादा। तो ऐसे ही नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम सिक्योरिटी के एक मज़ेदार कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए बाय।